Start of the treehouse. Just doing like a couple of steps here. It is bigger than it looks. Just doing a couple of steps here. And then cut all that ivy off. And then just do the base today, I think. 2 blocks gap. Well, I don't know if it's right or wrong. All I need to do now is put a bolt there, carry on with all the slats. But the foundation itself is pretty sturdy now. I don't know whether it'd be a bit too tall for the kids though. But don't know, we'll see. They'll love it, like, get rid of all these. Have a nice ladder coming up. But yeah. Ooh, get these in.